Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the Uraraka look from Hero Academia in DTI. If you're ready to float your way into fashions, we are turning everyone's favorite gravity-defying hero, Ochaco Uraraka, into a dress to impress icon. This is how you can get the looks. First, you can start with the makeup and hair. So for the makeup in here, I'm just use the makeup set from DTI. Here I'm going to use let's say this makeup in here, and then I'm going to combine it with the hair. So for the hair in here, I'm going to just use this short hair in here. Let's short hair, this one. Sorry, I mean this one here. And here you can color it orange or a little bit red like this. So just use the same color like the previous one. Okay, I'm going to just use this red hair like this. And then after you are done with the hair, let's start with the outfit. First, I'm going to go to the women's section, and here I'm going to put on this shirt at the top and color it white with no picture on it. Then I'm going to grab this blazer here and color it silver like this. As for the buttons color, I think I'm going to make it like this. Then for the shoe, I'm going to grab this boots in here and color it brown like this. For all the colors. And then for the bottom, I'm going to use this skirt in here, then color it dark green color like this. Including the belt. And here I'm going to use this stocking in here and color it dark gray like this. And lastly, I'm going to put on the tie. This tie in here and color it red. If you want to, you can also add some more accessory like earrings or necklace. So that's pretty much all. This is the final look for the Uraraka Ochaco. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.